Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hafeez. So in this video we will learn what is session flash in Laravel. In the previous video we have already learned what is session and how to use the session in Laravel and why we use the session in Laravel. The actually main difference between session and session flash is that we can use the session after saving the data in the session in multiple pages, or we can say that we can use the session after saving the data in whole the web application. But in the session flash, after saving the data in session flash, we can use it only one time, because after refreshing the page the data is automatically destroyed in session flash, but in session after refreshing page the data is not destroyed. So let us see how to use the session flash in Laravel. For that we need to open the project which we have already created in the previous video. And this is the fresh Laravel project which we have already installed in the previous video. So let us open the text editor. For that we need to create the controller. So let us create the controller. For that we need to open the command prompt. So let us open the command prompt and create the new controller, php artisan make controller and the name of the controller which you want to give. For example, I want to create the user controller. Enter, and now you can see controller is created successfully. So let us create the route for this controller. Route web route view users, and in the second parameter we will pass the name of the view users. Save this. So let us create the users view. Open the resource views, and inside the views let us create the new file and save as users .blade .php. Users. So save this file. So let us test is it's working or not. Now you can see this is working. So let us write something for testing purpose. Now you can see this is working. So let us see how to use the session flash. For that let us create the form. Input name so let us duplicate this field. Email, password. And email, placeholder will be email, and password. So let us save this file and refresh again. Now you can see we are getting 3 fields. So let us create the submit button. So let us create the route for this form. Action is save data. We will use the URL function which provides the Laravel by default, and method will be post. And we also need CSRF token. Save this form. So let us create the route. Route post save data, and in the next parameter we will use the user controller. Class and the name of function save data. So save this file. So let us open the controller app, http controller and user controller. So let us create the function public function and the name of the function save data. Request. So first of all we will return the request for testing purpose. Is it working or not? Save this file. So let us refresh this page. And submit this form. Now you can see this is working. We are getting the data from controller. So let us see how to flash this data in session flash. For example, we want to show the message to the user the data is saved in database successfully. Then we will flash the success message. We will flash the success message to the user. So let us see. Session flash, and in the first parameter we will pass the key data, and in the next parameter we will pass the message. Data saved successfully. and return back. So we will check in the users view if session has and we will pass the key if session data h1 session data. Save this file. So let us refresh. Now you can see the message data saved successfully, which we are passing from the session flash. So in this video we have learned how to use the session flash in Laravel. If you have any question, then you can ask me in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.